Williams Sunday School. Pass to number 13, heading down. Nakuha ng number 29, Vancouver. Number 10 Williams Sunday School, pass to number 18. Number 18 is yellow to the green ball.
S-Letter wala.
Number 10, Vancouver. Nakuha ng number 18, 3 points, Marvel. Nakuha ng number 19 ng Mississippi. Pass to number 11, number 11. Serious ball. Number 18 to number 77. Number 77. Pass to number 18. Number 18, pass to number 13.
Good.
Rebound by number 10 of Senior School. Pass to number 77.
Uy! Nice shot para kay Titus lang. Up and under. Oh, and steal. Abdul. Derecho. And there's a foul.
Two free throws, 1 and 2. Senior School number 20. First throw.
Good on the free throw area. No good.
Second throw, jumpers already. No good. Rebound by number 11 of District 2. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 29. Pass to number 29, moving the ball. 3 points to go. Rebound by number 13 of Senior School. Pass to number 30.
Abdul! Basket by Abdul.
Number 20. Number 29 of District 2 moving the ball. Bakante sa ilalim, Timina, Lagu. Rebound by number 20. Number 13 of Senior School. Pass to number 17. Number 17, and then number 11 of District 2. That's not Mr. Reverend Jacko.
That's a jump ball.
Some process ball. Some process ball. Blue ball. Blue ball.
Bad pass.
Yellow ball. Rebound by number 20, pass number 29. Number 1, number 20 of Senior School. Number 29. Let's get Mr. Referee. It's a foul for number 13, Tenorio. Yellow ball.
Oh, steal.
For the number 20 of Senior School. Nagmamadali, pinasa sa number 30.
And that's a double
Running
dribble.
dribble by number 13, Tenorio. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 13 out, number 30, Ipaloli. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 18 out, number 30, Huagi. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 12 out, number 17, District 2. And now number 29 and District 2. Pass to number 39, number 29. Nagmamadali. Ate! Substitution, Mr. Referee, number 30 of Segas Lugi. Number 3. First row, number 29, no good. Jumpers ready. Last row, number 29. Attempt, no good. Rebound by number 19. Attempt, no good. Nakuha ng number 29, ang 22. Pinasa number 19. Pass to number 7, 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 20, Madrid official, foul on number 29 of BC2. Second personal foul. First team foul. Dangerous ball.
Boy, outside.
Yellow ball. Yellow ball.
Bad pass.
Yellow ball, number 7. Pass to number 29. Number 29, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 29. Number 29, pumasok, pero nakuha bola, but there is a whistle. What's that, Mr. Referee? It's a foul. Foul number 20. Number 20, Senior School. Second personal foul. Third team foul, number 19. Missing 2, pass to number 29. 3 points, no good. The ball by number 13 of Senior School. Now the ball number 29. Yes, sir!
3-point para kay Narzoles.
3 points. Number 30 of Senior School dribbling the ball.
Jude.
He's very dribbling the ball. Pass to number 20. Number 20 pumasok na. Wala. Number 29 and then, no good. Rebound by number 13 of Senior School. Pass to number 30. Number 30, nagmamadali, Tingela, no good. Rebound by number 20. But there is Senior School. Foul, number, substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 77 out, number 23 in. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Substitution number 20, out number 34 in. Number 2 of the second. First row, no good. Last row by number 3. No good. Rebound by Senior School.
Oy! There's a jump. Backboard violation. Nagkakata si Riley.
Backboard violation by Senior School. Rebound by number 7 of DC2. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 29. Number 29, balik sa number 2. Attempt, no good. Rebound by Senior School. Number 29, pinasa ilalim, number 7, no good. Single. Yellow ball. Substitution, Mr. Referee. Number 13 of Senior School out. Number 20, Andrew in. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 2, pass to number 19, 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 7, pass to number 2. Pass to number 29, dali tayo sa lalim, wala. Rebound by number 20 of Senior School, naman number 2 ng District 2. Pinasa sa number 19, pass to number 7, back to number 19. Number 2 again, no good. Rebound by number 20 of Senior School. Number 20, pass to number 10. number 40, pass number 20, and then yes,
Baitan Civic. 58-24.
Number 19,
Narsoles, 4-3, wala.
Rebound by number 20.
Rebound by Abdul.
Pass to number 24. 24 hitting the ball. Minas by 29. Pass to number 30. And then rebound by number 19 of DC2. Nagpapadala, pagkasa naman ang laban. Nawala ang bola, nakuha ng same school. Number 20, pass to number 30. Pass to number 33. Pass to number 40 again. No good. Rebound by number 34 again. No good. Nakuha ng DC2. Pass to number 2. Number 2, hitting the ball. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 34 of same school. Pass to number 40, slowly taking the ball. Pass to number 20, pass to number 20. Number 20, pass to number 30. Again, no good. Rebound by 34, then no good. Rebound by number 20. And then again, no good. Number 20 again, no good. Number 20 again, no good.
Diba?
Nakaroon ng number 29 ang DC2. Nagsama na natin nila.
Yes, one. By jersey number 29.
Hello, DC2.
Time out, District 2.
Our official
Score 26-15.
26.
Magbabalik tayo para sa